Okay.
Ayan. So, Fee, first of all, yeah, congratulations na ni Delia Dica. And you
Thank you.
deserve that. So, ngayon, pag-usapan muna natin yung napanood nating play, Anino sa Likod ng Buwan. So, how was it?
Yes.
Ito na lang.
Um, it's refreshing to see a straight play with that kind of um polish and at the same time grit. Um, na-miss ko yung yung directorial voice ni Sir Tox because ang tagal niyang hindi nag-direct sa mainstream theater because he's been doing um tawag dito, he's been doing production sa school sa Benild.
Mhm.
So ang sarap lang na mapanood ulit yung ganong way of direction that we loved from Doc Resurrection and Walang Kukurap, Juego de Peligro, yung mga ganon. So yung fact na yun yung ay ang saya, and also my god, what a fantastic cast.
Yeah.
Grabe. Si the ever reliable and charming but also very complicated Ross Pesigan. And then what a theater debut for Martin Del Rosario. As in, my God, what a theater debut. And Elora, I mean, I think performance of a lifetime, role of a lifetime for Elora. So we're so happy to see her in this role. Tapos, I was again reminded of how beautiful, complicated, and complex the text, the story, and the words of Jun Lana. When I first watched this as a movie, as in, sabi ko, wow, grabe, ang ganda nung how everything evolved
Mhm.
and turned around.
In
And then I
play,
was
no?
again reminded of it. So, yon, yeah, w- what a wonderful show.
Yeah. And kung pipili ka sa tatlo, kanino ka mas nakakil? Kay Emma, kay Nardo, o kay Joel?
Alam mo, ang cliche nito, pero I can't really choose one because I think that's the point of it. Meron tayong parte ng sarili natin sa lahat ng characters. You know, sometimes we are cunning, sometimes we are vulnerable,
Mhm,
sometimes we
agree.
are romantic. Yung mga ganyan. So, hindi ako makapili eh. Kasi, wala, hindi ako makapili. Okay, if I have to choose, siguro si Nardo.
Oh.
Siguro si Nardo, yung pagkimkim ng mga bagay na hindi ko muna sasabihin because there are things that are more important than what I feel. Mga ganun. So, yun.
Ayan. And one scene na nag-strike sa'yo dun sa play, without spoiling it.
Yung mang, yung ano, yung scene sa Balete Tree. Kung nasan daw ang tikbalang.
Ah!
Yan.
Ayan, that. Abangan nila yan. So, ayan, so this is play nga nanood ka, and you will have a play na ikaw na nag-starring for first time. Kasi
Yes.
before, diba parang lagi supporting, ganyan. This
Mm-mm.
time, you're the lead as Delia D. So, how was the
Yes.
feeling? Can you tell us the story? Paano na-offer sa'yo? What's the process?
Ano ba, parang, well, it I was called by Sir Dex, and then it was offered to me to play Delia.
Mhm.
Yun, but I was part of the reading then when they are still developing the material. So, yun, ganun yung naging process. Siguro nag-usap-usap sila tapos naisip nila ako, ganun. So, ganun lang, ganun yung nangyari. And I'm just so grateful that they thought of me and chose me to play such a big character. Yon.
Um,
So, ayun.
yeah. Did
So,
you audition
yun.
for Delia, diba? Or
Hindi I
personality?
was I was selected to play Delia. So, that's another layer of pressure. Kaya,
Wow! So,
yan.
ikaw talaga yung parang personally na gusto nilang mag-play as Delia D.
Yes! Yeah!
Wow! So,
Oh.
how's that feeling na, diba, ang dami-dami pero ikaw?
Again, I'm just grateful, pero naniniwala ako na the things that are meant for you will
Yes.
happen and
It's
it
your
will
time.
always find its way to you. So, ayun. So, in a way, tinatanggal ko yung pressure because, this is a daunting task to tell this story of Delia D. So, mas doon ako nakatuon in yung being grateful with the opportunity that
And
was
ngayon,
given to me.
ano yung mga process na ginagawa mo as Delia D na pwede mo nang i-share?
Um, every day, every morning bago ako magpunta ng rehearsals, nagka-cardio muna ako. So nagji-gym
Oh,
ako muna bago ako magpunta ng rehearsals because I discovered in this show na yun, ganun din yung boses ko, hindi siya pwedeng kailangan muna siyang gamit
yeah.
bago siya bago siya mapunta in its full form. Ganon. So yun, mga ganong discovery. But it's really more of stamina building because being the lead, nandun ako sa stage most of the time. So it's really stamina building, especially now that we're doing choreo na.
And you've worked many in the industry na, like, ngayon, Kim Pao may movie. So, have they showed support ba na dito sa Delia
Well,
D?
me,
Ano ba
well,
sila nung
ano,
nalaman nila?
minsan nagme-message si Kim, nagre-react siya, ganyan. Tapos may message na, "Hoy, manood ka," ganyan. Tapos, oo naman daw, ganyan. Si Paulo,
Wow.
ano siya, silent siya. Tsaka baka busy talaga sila ni Kim. Pero si Kim,
Wow.
lagi siyang, anong tawag dito, pag magre-react sa mga stories, mga ganyan. So, nakakatuwa. I hope kasi wala, parang meron pa, naglalabas lang kami ng paunti-unti ng marketing for it, ng
Yeah,
mga
nga eh.
contents. So, hindi pa naman full blast. So, hopefully, pag nag-full blast na, they'll be able to
Yes. And
watch.
are you going to watch their film ba? Yung My Love Will
Mm-mm.
Make You Disappear? Or
Um,
pupunta kami ng premiere night sa premiere night?
well, pag in-invite nila ako, sana naman, invite nila ako, yun.
Siyempre, di ba? So, ayan, so invite everyone na to watch Anino sa Likod ng Buwan, also Delia D, and your future projects.
Yeah, I would like to invite everyone to please watch Anino sa Likod ng Buwan, directed by Tax Rotacio, starring Martin Del Rosario, Ross Pisigan, and Elora Españo. It's running here at the PETA Theater Center from March 1 to
23.
the 23rd. Ayan, every weekend. So, panoorin po ninyo yan. And please, abagan po ninyo Delia D, a musical featuring the
Yes.
songs of Jonathan Manalo at Newport Performing Arts Theater. It's going to be on April 25 to June 8. At nagsasell na po kami ng tickets. Ayan.
Wow, yes. Ayan, thank you so much
Thank you.
and
Thank you so much.
congratulations.